The assignment activity is used when students are required to upload and submit file or text submissions directly to Moodle, like Word documents, images, diagrams, and worksheets. It is not recommended that you use the assignment activity to assign readings or general tasks that do not require a file or text submission. The assignment activity keeps your gradebook and student files organized in Moodle, so they do not clutter your computer or email. You can grade directly through Moodle or mass download submissions. Once an assignment is graded, students can immediately see their grades and be kept up to date on their status in your course. Remember to provide detailed instructions, supporting materials, or rubrics in your assignment description, so students can easily understand what is expected of them, and so there is no confusion. You can simply copy and paste from your syllabus if the instructions are already located there. To learn how to apply these techniques to your own course, visit Moodle Basics for Faculty and open the section on adding an assignment.